Morning, everybody. It's 73 degrees. So far, so good. Here in the city, we're nice and warm and muggy, but there is some fog developing. I'll show you that in a moment. Got up to 93 again yesterday, and we're looking at 93, 94 again today. And you don't want me to give you the forecast. You don't, because it's going to be warming up a little bit more. Can you believe it? Everything's fine in Nueces and San Pat County, but down in Falfurrias, they've got some dense fog at 0-mile visibility, so that's pretty interesting down there. That is probably going to be spreading up along the 281 corridor, so if you're out there or going southbound on 281, you'll deal with it, but everybody here is looking at clear visibilities or greater than 10 miles. Here again, we're looking at mid-90s for us and near 100 in all of our inland areas, and there's not a lot of change. You're going to be hearing me doing the second, third verse, fourth verse, fifth verse of the same song for quite some time. In fact, through the next 2 weeks, that's kind of where we're going to be stuck. Not good news. We are looking at the heat advisory, the high heat index advisory for western areas. So from maybe Robstown all the way to Laredo, heat indexes today will get up to 105, 109. What that means is in the peak of the afternoon hours, if you're doing strenuous activity, you're going to perspire, right? Well, if you're perspiring a lot and a lot and a lot, the water's not evaporating on your skin, therefore you're not cooling, so your heart is working overtime. That's when you can get a little bit of heart palpitations, and that's when you've got to watch out. Now watch this map. When we see the orange, that is the warm air. Okay, so where does it go? It goes all the way up here and all the way down here. That's orange, warm, right? When you see the green and the yellow, that's cooler. So that's interesting. We've got cooler air on the west coast, very warm central plains, and fairly warm back east, southeast coast. Now that's Friday. On Saturday, we're going to actually heat up a little bit to temperatures well above the average temperatures. Now here's Alberto. Alberto's a problem because it's slowing down a little bit. Yesterday it was moving along at a nice clip. It was in Mississippi. It's now just to the south in western Kentucky, as you see right about there. Of course, this is mountain areas, and we've got some video from the flood that occurred over here in Maryland. And that was one for the record books. And of course, it's mountainous areas, and so the water is going to get funneled. So they had a tremendous deluge, which rolled right through the downtown area and flooded them. Now, this is called a 1,000-year flood because they didn't expect that kind of rain. And this is the second time they've had it, so obviously things have changed out there. Sunshine over Texas. Yes, it's summertime, and somebody turned on the oven there. So we're looking for no real change in our weather, dry weather through, and near record-breaking heat. So we may be 1 or 2 degrees below the record, but we will be very close. So 94 tomorrow, 96, 97. Can you believe that? 97 on over the weekend because high pressure is really going to squeeze in on top of us.